I'm Amber Valletta, and I'm from Tulsa. I have been a model for 35 years in the fashion industry. I've worked at the highest level in fashion. Fame is also really uncomfortable, but at the same time, I appreciate everything that has been given to me by the public. I was always really proud of my heritage, both my father's side and my mother's side, and I was really proud that my grandfather and great-grandmother and their side of the family is Cherokee. And Cherokee Nation is, thriving tribe that serves its people. What greater teacher is that than to see your community help each other? And we care about our land and our natural resources because I'm 100% positive that's where it comes from. I don't think it's like just, like by surprise that I'm like, that this feels so a part of me, and it makes sense, when I look at the people that are in my lineage.